Nasa ano kami guys? Sa Old Navy. Old Navy kami. Bibili kami ng mga damit pang Pilipinas. Summer. Shopping kami ng summer clothes. Yan. Ano nyo guys, oh. Old Navy. Ayun. Wala ako ng swimsuit. Old Navy. Old Navy. Shopping for summer clothes. Ayan. Summer clothes. So shopping kami for summer clothes. Summer clothes. Ganda naman. Swimsuit. Ayan. Window shopping. Getting ready for bills. Oh, di ba? Try. Oh. Pak! Ayan guys. Pakita ko lang sa asawa ko. Nagtatago siya guys. Tingnan nyo guys. What you think of this hat? Hmm? No, come here. What you think? Do you like my hat? It is cute. Oh. Pak! Oh, di ba? Oh. Gaganuin mo ga. Pak! Oh, di ba? Pak! Pak! Look this way. Look. Balik na natin. Baka mamaya mauwi ko pa ng walang bayad eh. Sa Old Navy kami. Ayan ah. Swimsuit. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.